Are you struggling to create thumbnails that actually make people want to click on your YouTube videos? Well, I recently came across a tool called Thumbs.ai, and I believe it's something every YouTubers and content creators need to check out for. But before we dive into this website, I want you to know that at the end of this video, I'll be showing you how to get your free credits upon signing up. So let's get started, shall we? Once you log in onto the website, at the left hand corner here, you have to select on create thumbnails since you are just getting started. So from here, you have two options: text to thumbnails or image to thumbnails. It all depends on you. So for those of you that probably you haven't created your video and you want to have your thumbnails prepared before creating the video, you can use this. But mostly for we that already created our videos and we need to update our thumbnails, then we make use of this. So I always love this option so much. And yeah, you could just select on the YouTube video you actually want to use. So I'll click on this, and to import the videos that we'll be using for this tutorial, just to get the link and paste it here. So let's grab thumbnails. Here's the thumbnail I actually have on my YouTube video presently. So with this text prompt, I can use this to actually generate another thumbnail, and I can use that to generate multiple thumbnails within few seconds. So yeah, if I'm pleased with this, I can actually select enhance. And how did I get these text prompts? I actually make use of ChatGPT. You can also do that yourself, or manually inputting it here, typing it yourself and select enhance. So once you've done that, you can head over to this place to select add face. That is if you actually want an image or your image to be to appear on that thumbnails. But I don't need that for this specific thumbnail. And you can also choose a reference on how you want to clone it. So yeah, it's very important. So since this is going to be a YouTube video, not a short, I'll be leaving this like this, and I may decide, okay, how many variations will I want? Either 2 or 3 are there about. And note, per each variations you'll be having, it is 2 credits per each variation. So if I'm selecting 2, that'll be 4 credits. So I'll just leave this as 1 for now. I can also select 2. Okay, so let's test this out and select create thumbnail. Now take a look at this. From the previous thumbnails with the 2 new generated thumbnails, you can see. Now one thing I like about Thumb.ai is that it actually does not change your thumbnails totally. It's make use of what you have and actually give you a new generated outlook that make it look more attractive for viewers to click on your video. Okay guys, and one thing you notice here is it also tells you if the thumbnail is good or not, or if the thumbnail is bad for you to regenerate. Something like this, when you have this below 70, it means it is less attractive and it wants you to recreate another one, and there you can select recreate thumbnails. So you can also try that yourself. With these 2 thumbnails that has been created, I am totally overwhelmed. Thanks to Thumbnails.ai for this amazing tool. Now to get your extra free credits upon signing up is quite simple. Click on the link in the description box of this video. Once you've signed in, automatically you have your free credit you can use to test this out. So guys, I can't wait to get your feedback concerning this site. See you in the next video. Bye for now. One love. Ciao ciao.